You and I buy star maps and drive my car around Los Angeles.
It's a video. It's gonna do something.
Young digital televangelist. It's only been a week, but I know that you are mine to keep. You are a radar detector. I drive 1,000 miles an hour. I won't go on and on, but you are always looking out for me. You and I go shopping and find exactly what we're looking for.
Everything on my face.
You and I go shopping.
Eyebrow.
We cruise the neighborhood, but it's not supposed to feel this good.
Wait, can you like look into the camera and then like take it off and then wink?
Radar detector.
Brandon!
I drive 1,000 miles an hour. I won't go on and on.
What is it? Jamba Juice. Alright, Noelle, how do you say it? Jamba Juice.
Jam.